Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about is even DAX function. Okay. See, once we check this DAX, see this here is even and add any numbers. Okay. Let's go to Power BI desktop. I've already prepared some data. See this here. This is a names column and this is a numbers column. So now I am going to click new column and type here is even. Okay, see this. Once you read this, returns true if number is even or false if number is odd. Okay, let's check apply and go to sales and in this place apply sales. Okay, see this even is a DAX function, sales is a table name. See this is a table. Okay, and next one is sales. See this, I'm applying this column. Okay, let's check this column value and created new column. See this all are even numbers. So this place IDs. See this here. See this. Okay, this one and 3 and 5, these all are odd numbers. So in this place showing false. 2 and 4 is a even number. So now showing true. Okay, this is even number DAX function in Power BI desktop.